So I probably should say something about cutting the stovepipe. It is not easy. I marked it out really well. Since I had the old stovepipe, I was able to get a measurement of the piece I need because the elbow's identical. At least it should be. Yeah, it is. So turns out it's 13 inches. So I marked it with a marker and cut it. I use the tin shears, which I think is the best way to do it, but it's heavy. You know, I often think, oh, I need to buy a heavier gauge stovepipe. No, because this is hard enough to work with. So now I have it cut. I took the screwdriver and tried to straighten out the ends where you cut it because I need it to snap into here. I need to press this down, kind of caving it in like this on each side until this goes into there, and then it'll snap, and then I can make it into a circle again. It'll be oval, more oval once you get it snapped in, but then you can bend it the other way and get it more circular. Then we'll be ready to put this piece in, then the elbow, and then we'll need one more piece. It turns out our sleeve on top was a much heavier gauge, or it just never really got too rusty up there. So this one's good and solid. So I think for now I'm going to use it. I think we're going to get another, I don't know, maybe another couple years out of it. So we'll put that one back in, and I think we'll be ready to screw them all together.